This episode is brought to you by TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com is your all-access to culture. Check out cultural merchandise like leggings, hats, mini boxing gloves, and bags. Also t-shirts like hip-hop, nature, rock bands, reggae, and dark fantasy. Fast shipping worldwide. That's TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. Now let's check out this episode.
I want to say, me and Anthony Red Rose go to Black Scorpio studio to do a song. See him? So me da give him the part name Tickle Her Fancy, Crawl Like a Nancy. Me a give him that part if he sing. And we end up never do nothing at the studio that night. I don't know where did it happen, but something did go wrong and no studio time. And then the man said, we do it the next time, maybe weekend. And I go Penthouse the next day. I hear the Tickle Her Fancy reading what them have down there. You understand? And they call it Tonight Rhythm. You see him? And me just jump on it. Me just jump on this. The Tickle Her Fancy by myself. And the rest was history again.
Crazy. So when you got over to Penthouse and you recorded that, which artists were actually at Penthouse at that time there as Penthouse artists when you were around?
When we did it was Winnie Wonder, Buju, Berris, the Top Gun them. Real peer top artists. You understand? Garnet Silk, Tony Rebel. You name it. You know what I say? Them have Dave Kelly as the engineer, Rookie. Them have Stumpy. And me I tell about them engineer, no shoot and miss. Them have the full package. So at the time, a Buju Banton couldn't miss him. Everything was because everybody round at Penthouse, everybody them was so Buju talented himself, Dave Kelly talented, Wayne Wonder talented, Stumpy talented, Rookie them talented, Tony Kelly talented. You know what I say? Even though Tony Kelly usually mostly work for Patrick Roberts them, but
Shock vibes.
Yeah, at the time there was so much talent there. You know what I say? So if you was a part of the team, you would have made good records because all these engineers, them know them craft, them can write, them know where you fit structure your thing. Me never have none of that around me. Me never have no team. Me don't know if it's structure nothing. Me just do music. Me don't know what to put in place. And lately me know them kind of something. You see me?
The technical aspects of music. You just understand how you think it should sound, but you don't understand if somebody said to break it down technically, you wouldn't understand what they were saying.
Because I remember one time when we have Vice, I think it was Stumpy that Vice that did it, and Dave Kelly. When we have Vice, Tickle Her Fancy. And him say, yo, by the second verse, change, man, you change. Just change by the second verse, man. I mean, never even know what I'm talking about. Me last. Me don't know what I'm talking about. me not just do anything and just I might change that and it work. It connect.
Crazy.
You see me?
So were you official member of Penthouse or you just came and record some songs over there for them?
I wasn't an official member of Penthouse. I wasn't an official member of any camp. I did just, you know me, I say, me just do my thing. My name Galaxy. If you check the Galaxy, if you look up in the sky, you see me, they all about. You understand? The Galaxy out there is widespread. So me they all about to do my thing, and you know, I say I try and maintain. But you see, the best thing as an artist is if you're in a camp and have people around you we can structure music, we can listen back and we say, this no figure, this a album song, this a single. You understand? Put on that for the album. Use this as a single. Change the last verse. Put it at first. Put it, you know what I say? Just like oh, more time we would do a song. No. I'm send it to Bada General. And him just flip it from the last verse and put it at the first verse. You see me? I say, so, you know what I say? It's the first time in my musical career, I really have somebody where would I take time out for really listen and I say, you know, say, Gala, you know, say that the last verse better than the first one. Make we flip it around. Yeah. So you know, so we just this is how we do music nowadays. You know what I say? But back then we never have the tools. I never have the people them. I never have the brain. You know what I say? It was just me. You see me? Yeah.
Going back to Miss Goodie Goodie. When was the first time you remember either hearing that on a radio, hearing it in a car pass, a minibus, and you know, okay, this song is taking off? At what moment did you figure that out?
Bro, it's like, I can't remember me when my voice, Miss Goodie Goodie, me get it on a cassette. I never forget, it was a Maxwell cassette. And we bring it go up on Maca Tree, up on my area where I grew up. And the night, my brother have a little cook shop. And him have a little tape. And I give him the cassette. And I play it. And I say, yeah man, it sound good, man. You know? Just sound good. And I say, yeah man, it sound good, man. It sound good. But even him never knows that this song was the song we're gonna change the face of. You know what I say? We entire life. You see me? So, you know what I say? The first time I hear it on the radio, I think we there for one shop. And they come on. Because I think it was a Saturday. And man say, yo, Galaxy, are you that, you know? Brother, come on, no, man. We don't hear nothing what the radio say. Because for the whole time, we are making nice. We are making nice, bro. I remember. Look here. I remember when I go so boom. Kind of me a little youth, you know, brother. I go so boom, man. Sting 1992. But they are Spanish town. Me never get book for Sting. Colin Roach, they get book for Sting. I don't know, like, me don't know if them that look for me for book me or them couldn't find me or what, but me don't know, me not a manager, me not nobody where I deal with my thing. Me just, you know, you know. But anyway, Colin Roach get book for Sting and, you know, him there tell me if I come a Sting. And the youth where that oversee my musical career, I say, don't go, you know, because them style you. Them should have book you. And you know, me there out on the main road in the night there, and me see a ladder, taxi, come up the street, and me fall it down. And I say, driver, where you go? I say, I work in a youth. I say, drop me at the National Stadium. I tell you something again about timing. I reach a National Stadium. I go at the front gate. I mean, I have no armband. I mean, I have nothing. When I go there, I see a security. I say, yes, Siki. You know, backstage, I try reaching a Galaxy P, you know, Miss Goodie Goodie, you know. And brother, come like when you plug in. Come like when you plug in one shear if you creep off the ear off of your head. I say, man, I move Gigi. The man goes up on the radio. Yo, come to the gate right now. I have an artist here we have to carry backstage. And I better come and take him post. I'm here to tell you, from Deso to backstage. The man said, move. Come out that way. The artists are come. Galaxy people here. Move. The man came backstage. I want to go backstage. Colin Roach up on stage a sing. Him and Bonnie General have a song named Sylvia Mother Say. See? And when Bonnie General don't do film part on that song there, him a come off stage. This time a Colin Roach don't know say Galaxy P the backstage. So when him a come off, them strike up the General with him. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take the microphone from Bonnie General and say, action! Brother man. Let me tell you this. Never again in the history, we never seen nothing like that. It was electrifying. Brother, some bomb, like a world war start. The sky light up like, yo, an invasion. Brother, it's when we walk up on the step. I say, oh man, I saw the body's more than gold. Brother, we can't hear for like 5 minutes. We can't hear the bands, nor we self. 5 minutes, the place a mash up. Everybody will carry them torch. Me don't fire them. When people when them give them the money to buy clappers to them, me don't clappers them. People them will buy the fireworks, me don't fireworks them. People will buy them bomb, remember me alone gas thing. People will buy them bomb, me don't highlight bomb them. When me and Colin Roach finish that set there, I rest. Everybody will go after we brother. A downhill. Roll over.
Yeah.
Lick up in a fence. Nobody have no energy left. Yo, we wreck it. We destroy the place, brother.
And imagine if you listen to your people and you didn't go over there.
You see it? So me still I say, sometimes there's a voice I tell you something, say, move. And you don't move, you know what? You stay at your own expense. So my timing was so right. Remember, I don't know what time Colin Roach I work, you know. I have a schedule, I never rehearse. I never rehearse with the bands. Because at the time, I did a Spanish tone, India tone, Major Christie, they are Spanish tone. So there's a conflict.
Got you.
So they said there's a vibe of go on. Because me and Colin Roach have the bigger song. Me and Major Christie have this song where also popular. See me I say? So, you know me I say basically still, me and Major Christie make a couple foreign move. People them really take with tea because the song by the General was the song where anyway me and Colin Roach go today. Remember, I just have my album launch with me and Colin Roach and Johnny P, Gandhi, Country Spring. A couple more people was there. And believe me, man, anyway me and Colin Roach go, man, when them hear action, man, activity moment, man. Yeah, man. When they hear action, it's over. Same way.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.